In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the freezer door gasket on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new door gasket, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before installing the door gasket, you'll want to watch our other video that has instructions on how to get the gasket ready for installation. If you install a new door gasket without following these, it will most likely not seal properly. To remove the gasket, we'll first need to remove the freezer door. Open the freezer door and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Then, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, slightly loosen the bolts. Once loose, lift the door off the drawer slides. Now, carefully place the door on a flat surface with something to prevent scratches. To remove the gasket from the door, use a putty knife to carefully break the seal between the foam and the gasket, being sure not to damage the liner. Then, firmly pull it out of the seam and work your way around the door. You may find this difficult. When the door is built, it is injected with spray foam to insulate and seal the gasket in place. So once the original gasket is removed, it cannot be reused and will need to be replaced. When shopping for a new freezer door gasket, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Here's the new gasket next to the old gasket. The new gasket has a hard plastic edge used for installation. Also, the corners are separated to make installation easier. Before installing the gasket, clean up any excess foam along the seams. Then, align the gasket to the door with the plastic edge facing down. Now, use a putty knife to separate the door and liner and place the hard plastic edge between the two. You should feel or hear the gasket lock into the seam. Then, continue to work your way around the door. At the corners, the plastic edge is separated to allow for installation. On the final edge, you may need to stretch the gasket to get it to seat properly. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts on the notches on the drawer slides. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. After the gasket is installed on the door, if any areas of the gasket still do not seal properly, use a blow dryer to heat it up and massage those sections of the gasket. Use a piece of paper or a dollar bill to identify areas that are not sealing properly. If sealing properly, the gasket should grab the paper. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.